Have you ever wondered on how to change your activity goals? In this video I'll be showing you how to. First, you have got your move ring. This calculates the active calories that you burn in a day. Then you have got the exercise goal. This calculates the minutes that you have exercised. Then you have got the stand goal. To achieve it, you have to stand for 1 minute every hour until you achieve it. Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. First, you want to go into the activity app. This one here. Then you want to go down to the bottom. Then you want to tap change goals. Then use the minus to go down and use the plus to go up. Also you can use the digital crown to go down and to go up. One thing I would recommend is make sure you set these goals so that they are a challenge. Once you have chosen the right amount for you, tap next. Same for exercise, minus is to go down and plus is to go up. Same for the digital crown as well. Down and up. Then once you're finished in here, tap next. And then you have got your stand goal. Same, minus is to go down and plus is to go up. Same for the digital crown. Down and up. Once you have chosen the right amount for your stand goal, tap OK to complete the setup. Then it will be done. So when you go back up here, your goals would have changed if you have changed them. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.